Welcome back, boys and girls, for another vocabulary video. This week, week 3 of Unit 3, we are reading the story Words Add Up to Success, and we only have 5 vocabulary words this week. So please make sure that you get them written down along with their definition so that you can fill out your word squares later on and do your vocabulary work at that station. Our first word is dismiss. When you dismiss something, you forget about it or put it aside. We can dismiss that idea because it will not work. Why do you think you might dismiss an idea? The next word is interact. If you interact with another person, you speak to that person or do something together. I interact with the students at school. You interact with people all day long while you're here in the classroom. Our next word is motivate. When you motivate someone, you make that person want to take action. Seeing the movie helped motivate me to read the book. There are lots of ways that you could be motivated. Next word is conceived. If people conceived of a way to do something, they thought of an idea or a plan. And Mom conceived of the perfect way to get me to do my chores, paying me. I hope all of the ideas that you conceive are good ones. Our last word this week is definition. A definition explains what a word means. Make sure you write the definition of definition in your notebook. The word mollify was new to me, so I looked up its definition in an online dictionary. Why do you think it's important to know the definition of a word? Check over your words, make sure you have them all written down, and then you may go grab this week's vocabulary sheet.